Hello friends, in this video we will code a simple C program just to count number of words user entered in an input. So let's just start. I've already created a directory word counting which is currently empty. We'll create our C file here and start writing our code. So the variables we need in this program is first one is for storing the character we will use a C, and we are incrementing any word counting. So word count increment, for that we need NW for new word. In this current program we need some kind of a state also, because the reason behind this, we will check whether the user is currently inside a word or the outside a word. Let me explain this. Let's say if a user is typing the word hello, and during a hello, HELLO, it means when user is typing a word, it means it is inside the word. When user is press the space bar, tab key or the new line, it means user is outside the word. So we will not increment that part. So for that we need some kind of a flag here. We will name it a state here, and by default we will initialize NW with 0, and we will use state with 0 I think as well. But I think we can define a macros for here, a preprocessor for this state flag. We will use in1, and which is means inside a word, and we will define out will be 0, it means outside a word. So it will get more clear when I will complete my code. Let's just loop here, and we will use equal to get character not equal to end of file. So we will check first if user entered any empty space, it means user is outside the word, or user press the new line, it means also outside the word. Or the last thing we will check is for the new tab. If user pressed a new tab, here we will just simply make, okay, wait a second, we will use out here, and we will make this out. It means user is outside a word, not inside a word, so we will not increment this part. And in the else if part we will do that, we will check whether the state is equal to out. Yeah, I think yes, out. Then we will do that like some is outside a word but starting a new word, then we will make it update to end, and we will increment our word. So let me explain this code. So first, by default the new word will be 0, and we have initialized the state with the macros the out, which is the value, which have the value of 0, and after that we loop. So let's say first time a user enter H character, only the H, so it means user didn't this if condition will not get executed. A user will move to this, the code will move to this else part, else if part, because the state is by default out. So it means then the state where we will update the state to in. It means user is currently inside a word, and he is writing, or the user is writing a new word. Let's say hi or HELLO, any word, and we will increment this part. So second time, let's say user pressed a space after H, then this if condition will gets executed, the state will be out, and it means user pressed any space or back or the new line or the tab. Then the code move again. If user input and new character, then code will check. If that is not a space, new line or tab, then it will move to this else if part, and new words will get incremented. So let's just test this out. And okay, sorry, wait a second. Static and the code will get more clear when you will execute it. Okay, now see, hello friends. So I have typed two words here, so I will get two. Let's just test one more time. Hello friends, how are you? So this time I have entered a 5 words, so I got the 5 value. So this is a simple C program. I hope you like it, and with this simple code you can count any words, number of the words. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.